Hey everybody, it's Motivation Rhonda. So a lot of you have been asking lately, what is clean eating and how do you do it and how do you have time to make that? Well, I'm going to show you that it's super easy to eat clean and it does not have to take a lot of time. So every day for lunch, I usually have some type of salad. I buy my groceries once a week, so I have things on hand ready and available to me so I don't have to make last minute decisions. And it also saves a lot of time, so don't use that as your excuse. So today what I do most every day is I will have a big bowl of mixed greens. And then to make it a little more exciting, I have cut up vegetables, and this takes all of about 30 seconds to cut this up. I have cucumbers, I have some apples, which a little bit of fruit crunch. I have tomatoes and green pepper, red pepper, whatever you want. You can put whatever you want in it. And then just, throw it in there. And another thing that I do, and saves time, saves money, is I make my own dressing. So it has a little separation right now, but it is a mix of olive oil, red wine vinegar, a little salt and pepper, some honey, and mix it up. That way you have it for the entire week. And then just here's my little serving. I also like to add a little crunch. So here are some roasted pumpkin seeds. This is all something that takes about, maybe 20 minutes of prep time before, and then you have this readily available for the week. So if you're using the excuses, I don't have time, I don't know what to do, you do have time, because if you get in your car and you go through a drive-thru or you wait in line something for some food, you have time. It's just about priorities and making the decision to eat healthier. So I am going to thoroughly enjoy my mixed green salad with tons of veggies, some awesome dressing, and some roasted pumpkin seeds. So that's as easy as it gets. I'll share more recipes. If you want the recipe for this, let me know and I'll be sure to share it on my page. Have a great day.